Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about the radical equation that was created by myself. Now, let's get started. We have square root of x power 3 plus 2x squared minus 20x plus 40 equal to cube root of 60 minus x squared plus 4x. First of all, you look at on the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. We have the radical side of the left hand side is the square root radicals. So it means on the left hand side the expression have to be greater or equal than 0. And because the right hand side also equal to the left hand side, then it means the right hand side of course greater or equal to 0 as well. For the right hand side, the expression under the radical side we have 60 minus x squared plus 4x will be equal to 6 plus x and 10 minus x. And when we have the radical, the right hand side is greater or equal than 0, then it means this expression also has to be greater or equal than 0. And if this is greater or equal than 0, then it means the domain of x will be between 10 and negative 6. So the first thing we can see that the condition of x is x greater or equal than negative 6 and smaller or equal than 10. Go back to the left hand side. The expression under the radical side is x power 3 plus 2x squared minus 20x plus 40 will be equal to x plus 6 multiplied by x minus 2 squared plus 16. And why I transform the expression into this kind of expression? Because based on the condition, I look at the x value is greater or equal than negative 6. Then I consider to put the x value here, the x plus 6 here. Then it means the expression is on greater than 0, and this is the square, so it's also greater or equal than 0. Then I completely build this expression into another expression with the law that it has to be greater or equal than 16, because this is on greater or equal than 0. And the equality happens when x equal to negative 6 or x equal to 2. So when this is greater or equal than 16, it means the left hand side greater or equal than square root of 16, then it's a 4. And look at that, if the left hand side greater or equal than 4, and we can think about we might rule the right hand side smaller or equal than 4. Right hand side smaller or equal than 4. We have to rule that. Why we have to rule that? Because if we can rule that, then the equality happens when the x is a specific value for the left hand side and the right hand side to make this expression equal to 4. Then we can find the root of the equation. To prove the right hand side smaller than 4, so it means we have to rule the right hand side is smaller, right hand side square smaller than the right hand side is 64. Yeah, 64, sorry. And then when the right hand side cubes, it will equal to 60 minus x squared plus x 4x smaller equal than 64. When we do the basic transformation, this is x squared plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 greater or equal than 0, then it will be x minus 2 squared equal or greater than 0. That is always correct. Always correct with any x value belong to the real numbers. So the inequality, the right hand side smaller equal than 4 is correct and it's true. So the equality happens when x equal to 2 combined with the equality of the left hand side, that x equal to -6 or x equal to 2. So we combine two of the list of the roots. So we have finally the root of the equation x equal to 2. And compare the final value with the condition here. It's greater than -6 and smaller than 10. So it satisfies the condition. So we receive this root. And that's the way we find the solution for this equation. But lesson from this video is when you see is weird form of the equation, something like the radical, and you think natural way you have to square both sides or cube both sides of the equation, but you have to check the condition first. And if you check the condition, then you can to manipulate the one side of the equation. In this case, this is the left hand side, and rule it as the inequality. And if you found inequality, then you can try to another side of the equation for the same value of the inequality. Then combine them together. Combine them together. Then they will equal together when the equality happen at these values. This is number 4. So finally you will receive the root of the equation. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.